For the latest film interviews, reviews, and everything making news in pop culture, subscribe to Film Companion now.
Rolling. Madam, 1, 2, 3, and.
Sorry. Don't go that someone.
This is too much of a scene stealer, Seth.
No. Bobby, please help me out.
Oh, he's so gorgeous.
Hi.
I am not.
She's saying you're handsome. Say thank
I
you.
think you're handsome. That's right.
Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
Ranbir keeps saying it. He's like, can you sit in one place? Can you not like have to do something all the time? And I don't know, because I'm always up to something. I'm always doing something. My mind is always engaged and occupied. He calls it phat phat.
For me, it was new to meet a girl who wasn't excited about Fast Fazil, She wasn't excited about, and that was very new to me. Why isn't she excited about me, That was like so new to me.
Because until then, all women you met were excited about you.
I guess, I don't know. Yes, yeah. With Nazria, I had to like sort of, this is hard, I'm standing in front of you and, I had to make that evident,
We dated each other for such a long time, 10 years. We exactly knew where we were.
I sometimes tell Ritesh, I'm your habit. Yeah.
Moving on to the question. But she didn't tell me whether it's a good habit.
I think best habit.
I genuinely believe that whatever I can or whatever I could do, I have not done half of it. And I'm very embarrassed about it.
This I think this is an exaggeration because मतलब तो फिर आप genius ही है ना, अगर आपका सिर्फ 50% हुआ तो सिर्फ सीधा genius.
अब तो तुमने मुझे कॉर्नर कर दिया.
मैं जब टाइम्स स्क्वायर में घूमने गया शो से पहले तो तब मेरे ख्याल आया मन में कि मैं यार ये मेरी भी फोटो हो सकती है यहाँ पे. तो जब ख्याल आ जाता है तो फिर मैं वो मेरी आदत है, मैं पूरी करनी होता है वो ख्याल. तो मेरा ख्याल पिछले साल का फिर अब पूरा किया मैंने.
We sign movies or we do projects sometimes just for other reasons apart from your, the character or the, the project. Sometimes it's for the person, for the relationship, for whatever reason, myriad of reasons. What? Yeah, like if you can tell कि यार ये चलेगी नहीं, what do you then do? Like I'm really curious to know what you guys do when you kind of know that this is not going to work, but you have to do it anyway.
Get paid. And make sure you're getting good money for it.
Firstly, I don't know if I should be offended at this question because I've been around for 20 years. I've never had a joint narration with another hero, and I've done the maximum ensemble films.
90s में होता था, Abhishek, I promise you. You don't remember that big story about Dar and how there had to be a joint narration between, I think it was Sunny and Shah Rukh and then...
No,
Sunny.
I used to be in Adi's house every day in the 90s. I never saw any joint narration. I'm most upset about this. This is very unfair. Dada, I want joint narration with all 10 actors.
मुझे सीनियर त्रिपाठी से ये जानना है क्योंकि हम लोग तो शादी पे थे जहाँ पे पूरा कांड हुआ. तो आपने जब देखा पंकज जी तो आपको क्या लगा?
हाँ, मैंने अभी देखा 2 महीने पहले अप्रैल कि मैं कुछ देखा ही नहीं था. तो
I get auditions for Hindi films. Usually they want me to play a Punjabi boy. I don't know why. I never understood why.
I also don't know why. Why, Danish?
I had to audition for a part where I had to stand and be like some cheete tere bina Ludhiana mein wo baat nahi rahi. I'm like, bro, you asked me to say Bangalore, Chennai, I'm fine.
जब कर रहे थे ना तो वो वही मतलब हमें लगता था कि हम अपनी पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पर ऐसा तो पहले भी किया था हमने. ऐसा तो नहीं था कि कभी दिल से काम ना किया.
सेम फीलिंग.
तो मुझे लगा अब की बार क्या हो गया ऐसा. फिर धीरे धीरे वो सिंक होना शुरू हुआ कि हाँ यार, मतलब फिर से वही बात है, वो ऐसी घमंड वाली बात है. पर We deserved it, man.
I was never a pet person. I didn't even ever consider it in my life. But now, every morning, everyone wakes up. First, we go and visit whosever room where everybody is. All from their rooms, they go and visit Storm. Like, where is Storm? How did he eat? How did he poo? What did he do? This is what we do.
I was really sad, feeling this world is over, and I posted something on Instagram that day. And for some strange reason, those comments started with, "Why are you sounding like this? This is not you." You know, it was just a very strange thing that happened. And from there started the comments of, I lost my father. I was thinking my life is over. And then you came and said this in this interview. And I pulled myself up and I went back and did this. Somebody said something. They took me back 20 years of my life and they reintroduced me to who I am.
मैं गुमसुम इन राहों की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छुपा ना जाने